Need to install your HP Color LaserJet Pro 3301fdw on Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install the correct printer driver. First, make sure your HP 3301fdw is powered on and connected to your computer or network. If you're using Wi-Fi, confirm that the printer is connected to the same network as your Windows 11 PC. Open your web browser and go to the official HP support website. Search for HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301fdw, then select your exact printer model. On the Software and Drivers page, make sure Windows 11 is selected. Look for the recommended printer software or full driver package available for your model. Click Download and wait for the installer to finish. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your preferred connection method, such as Wi-Fi or USB. Allow Windows and the HP installer to complete the required setup. When installation is complete, open Windows 11 printer settings and select your HP 3301F. Print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it! Your HP 3301fdw should now be ready to print from Windows 11. Follow for more printer setup and troubleshooting guides.